Hey dudes, it's DJ,
Britt,
Emma,
German.
No, this is Britt's boyfriend Kevin. He's psycho.
No, he isn't.
Okay, we had a request from our fans. You guys requested it for us to do another burping contest. So this time we thought we'd add this guy because he can belch. Okay?
He's a liar.
Yes, he's a liar. He was burping and farting a while ago. Okay. Anybody need Coke or you guys got your own drinks?
Gotta get my Red Bull.
Enough with the GD for crying out loud.
Oh, so you don't need your you don't need your Coke right now?
We're gonna fucking die. He's drinking Red Bull.
Remember, you guys need Coke! Okay. Now it's gonna start.
Or Dr. Pepper. I learned it the hard way.
Dr. Pepper makes me belch loud too.
Let's get this party started.
I could hear his Red Bull go boom.
That's a new record. Somebody belch now.
I'm scared because what if I drink it, I'll spit soda at my laptop again.
Hey, I spit it before, remember? And you did it once.
Well, Emma, we're waiting.
I'm trying, so don't mind me.
Oh God. I'm good.
If you choke on that Red Bull, which is best known as bull piss, I'm gonna laugh. You jerk.
God, I'm smoking, you guys.
I'm trying here.
Burp snort.
A burp snort.
Yeah, but you forgot to sneeze.
Kinda.
Liar.
No, it's supposed to be going like, ash you.
This is terrible.
Good Lord! I have to use the bathroom. I'll be back, dude.
You need a garbage bag. Now it's starting. Stop it before you make me puke.
Damn.
Why did I even date this dude? Emily, do tell me why. Can you guess? Oh, thank you very lovely much for not giving me answers, you dumb blonde. Damn Sal. I need to belch something out really funny and I hope it would work. I'll tell you what it is. La 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 la.
Dang it.
Oh my God, really, dude? Oh my gosh. Okay, now I'm back. Oh God, it smells like rotten candy. Whatever the fuck that is. Anybody puked yet? cups. 2 cups of Coke. 2 cups. Round 2.
Just like Taco Bell.
Because you ate Taco Bell.
Sickle. Sick.
Why am I doing this again?
Because we asked you. That was strong. You need Coke?
Sure.
Well, grab
Cups are right there.
your glass now.
There you go. There.
Damn it.
Oh my god.
I almost squelched Piggy, but it failed.
Ah!
You son of
You
a...
spill it on my carpet.
He
Wise ass.
spills everything in every carpet.
Does that include... Never mind. I'm not going to say it, dude. There could be kids watching this.
Maybe.
Yeah.
It worked. Emma, belch.
She's too shy. She always has been in our shows.
Not the other ones. Come on, Emma.
You gonna be shy around Andy Bierzak? See? It works.
Belch.
I'm not afraid to show that I love Black Veil Brides.
Belch. Blondie. Belch. Wow. Come on, you dumb blonde. Don't make me tickle
I curse that you're gonna burp loud. Then you'll be like me.
That's it. I'm gonna count to 5. And I'm gonna tickle you if you don't belch. Then belch. And you stuff that damn gassy wappy up your ass, okay?
Me too.
He did the burp start!
I hope it don't stink up the fucking place.
That's what you get for eating Taco Bell, so that means you can do the burp start.
Yeah.
Did it work?
I don't smell anything.
That's not what I meant.
I might get a better one later.
Grand finale.
Not when I'm around, okay?
I meant to say Frank. What did you just say? Wait, we should try to say each other's names.
Oh my god.
What did you say, Emma?
What did you say?
My name.
Kevin? Don't sound like it, dude. I do.
Are you trying to oppress me? Well, it's not working.
Oh, you gotta love his gassy stuff.
No, I don't.
I couldn't do it. It wouldn't come out. Let me see. You know this is going on YouTube, right?
What did you say? I don't understand what the fuck you just said. I swear, I don't understand this, dude. That's men for you.
What's that?
Emma.
No.
Emma!
Loud. Loud.
Loud, Emma. Loud.
Do it.
Do you want me to go get Andy? What did you say?
My wife.
My wife. Like, damn, my wife. My wife. My wife. Oh my god. Now this guy's gonna kick my ass now, damn it.
Yeah! Fuck!
You.
Now belch. Come on.
Oh my god. Let me see if I can swallow air.
Stop it.
It sounds like you're puking. My house is getting smoked. God damn it.
Here, in case if I do change your mind about Drew Gatsby laughing.
And the world sighs with relief. Boy, I'll be the one puking after this.
I think I already am gonna puke.
What was that?
False alarm.
It's just that little gas that wants to come out.
Oh, it's
Which
not.
end?
Oh, wait. I gotta puke.
The mouth. It's auto. Why are you at your little corner?
want her to puke on me.
All they can
What was that?
My legs.
My legs.
My leg.
Oh, my leg.
My leg.
Oh, I can't feel my legs. Oh, my legs are asleep. 12 minutes. Kevy.
Gabby! Damn.
Careful, he'll do a burp snart.
I need a fucking weirdo.
Ass you! Wish I could do one. That would probably impress guys.
Achoo.
Thank God I have a pill between me and him.
Oh shit.
You need your own bubble.
Guess who's gonna sleep in the couch tonight?
Oh, I can't do it with the camera.
He's gonna sleep in the couch. Yes, you are.
I'm waiting for that Taco Bell to get done.
If you do that again, I'm not gonna talk to you for the rest of the night.
I'm just.
Do the Christmas
Okay,
melody.
I'm kidding. Come here. Come here. Come here.
On
Yes.
the first day of Christmas. Or
On the
Hey.
first day of Christmas, my true love gave to me Ashley Purdy just for me.
Liar.
I wish I had Ash.
I
I love you, Ash. I love you.
Birthday to me. 2 wrestling plans.
3 condoms. 4 strippers. 5 blowjobs. 6 exploding cats. Shit caught between my throat. God, this would be what, my 3rd cup of Coke?
Oh my god.
Boy, I'm gonna be hyper as hell.
Belch, Emma. For what? Belch.
Do it for Andy.
Do it for your boyfriend too.
Come on here. Stop.
That's the genius.
Genius! Cappy. Awkward.
You bored me, Kevy.
Playing with my Monroe piercing. And out.
You wish you were in and out.
Later.
What? What? Just me doing a funny face at the camera?
Yeah, bedtime. Excuse me. Bedtime. Don't fart, Emma.
She didn't eat Taco Bell. No. No.
Hold on.
Burp snort.
No. Dang it.
The power of Christ compels you.
That's it, Kevin. We're breaking up. I'm kidding. You know I love you, but don't do that when I'm around.
When you gotta let it out, you gotta let it out.
Well, I'm not gonna let it out in front of you. It's embarrassing.
In the middle of the night, she'll let out a huge fart, and then all of a sudden it'll shake the bed, and you'll go, ah! I'll be it. That was brilliant!
I almost bit it.
I'll be editing parts of this video, but that was hilarious. I'm gonna add it in there.
I liked it. Ew.
Careful, Kevin. You don't know where that's been.
Oh god. Oh, now I'm just waiting for it. They're cold.
I think this video is officially over.